Hi, this is Kendall the Smart Home and my name is Ali Reza. After introducing Sonoff NSPanelPro, which you can watch its video here, it's time to show you how you can use it as an Android touch panel. Stay with me to show you the procedure. Before that, please click the subscribe button if you haven't done yet, as it motivates me to upload more videos. To proceed, your Sonoff NSPanelPro must be paired with your eWeLink account. After pairing, you have to enable developer mode. How? On eWeLink, select NSPanelPro, open its menu by tapping three dots at the top right corner of the screen, find device ID, tap on it 8 times. Enable developer mode, yes. After that, we will have developer mode option in the list. Select it, enable ADB. Accept and enable. After enabling ADB, in Windows we need Android platform tools. You can download all needed files from the link in description. Open a command prompt and navigate to the Android platform tools. Run ADB application. After that, find out the IP address of your panel by navigating to the setting of NSPanelPro in About section. We have the IP address of NSPanelPro. With ADB, connect to it by typing this command. If it responds with connected to the IP address of NSPanel, you have connected to the panel and you are ready to proceed. ADB devices shows you connected devices. If you see another device connected to it, try disconnect it by using ADB disconnect and its IP address. Run ADB TCP IP 5555. We are starting in TCP mode port. To set the panel to listen for a TCP IP connection on port 5555. To make working with your panel, you need to install a standard launcher. Download the launcher from the link in description and put it in Platform Tools folder. Then install it by this command, ADB install and the name of the launcher. Put .apk after the name of the files. After installing the launcher, run this command, ADB shell input keyevent 3. You can find the commands in numerical order in description. You will be offered a selection of launchers. Select launcher as default. Next step is installing Xposed Installer in the panel. One more time, you can download all needed files from the link in description. Xposed is a framework for modules that are able to modify the behavior and looks of the Android operating system and apps. This means that you are able to install modules which add custom ROM-like features to the Android OS running on your device. These modules include both visual and performance improvement. Again, you have to put the Xposed file in Platform Tools folder, and you can install it by running this command. We have a .tar file. Upload it to NSPanel by running this command. After that, open a shell in ADB, switch to root. By running this command, we make file system writable. By running this command, navigate to directory where you uploaded Xposed framework. This command extract the Xposed file. Run the next command. As I said, you can find the commands in numerical order in description. Make the installer script executable by running this command, the last one. Run Xposed framework installer script. Xposed installer is installed but not activated. Reboot your device. It may take longer than usual to boot this time. Once the panel has rebooted, use ADB space shell space input space key event space 3 to open the launcher again. Open the Xposed app. Don't show. Okay. Make sure it is activated. If not, another reboot is needed. Next step is installing AnyWebView. Android System WebView is a system component for the Android operating system that enables Android apps to display web content directly inside an application. Run this command to install it. After installing AnyWebView, open Xposed again, open Modules from the left menu, and activate AnyWebView. Reboot your device. Now we have to update WebView. You can download the latest version from the link in description, and by running this command, it will be updated. Make sure the file is in Platform Tool folder. Wait till installation completes. After updating WebView, go to Settings, System, select About Tablet, find Build Number and tap the Build Number option 7 times. Developer mode is enabled. In Developer option, here in Settings, navigate to WebView, and choose the WebView you just installed instead of the outdated Android system WebView. By running adb space shell space input space keyevent space 3, you close the apps. Now you can install and use Android apps that depend on your version of WebView. For example, I want to install Home Assistant app. I navigate to Google Play, select apps, search Home Assistant, copy its URL, navigate to this website. You can find its link in description. Paste the URL of Home Assistant from the Play Store here. Then click Generate Download Link to download the APK file. Home Assistant, copy, paste, generate download link. Click here to download the file. Put it in Platform Tools folder. I already have it, but I click yes, I want to replace it. I start from the scratch, open a command prompt and navigate to the Android platform tools. Run adb. Copy the name of Home Assistant APK file. Run this command, adb space install, then insert the name of Home Assistant file, in our example, at the end add.apk. Home Assistant is installed. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't done already. You can support me by buying me a coffee. I'll see you in the next video.